Hi, Dave here from Dten at ISE 2020, and here we're talking about a brand new product we just announced called the Dten GO. Dten GO here has 12 microphones and a 4-camera array designed to work with any screen, HDMI out, plug it right into the screen. Our 4 cameras actually give us different angles, so as we switch between each camera, we have a total of a 160-degree view of the entire space. 12 microphones allow us to cover at least 10 meters of distance, so we've got all the camera coverage as well as audio coverage you could ever need. The Dten GO works with the Mate, which is our 10-inch tablet that goes along with it. That's how we're going to control everything. And the beauty of it is when you share content in your Zoom meeting, that content will be displayed on the Mate, and you can actually annotate on the Mate to bring it up onto the screen. So you get full annotation capabilities, or everything that's referred to as a Zoom room with touch without having to have a touch screen in the room. So the Go with the Mate is going to really change the way you deliver Zoom rooms to any given room, because you can use any display you want. And the entire package will be available for $999. And to get more information on the whole thing, you simply go to Dten.com.